Hi guys!
Kami ma.
This is my Arella. For today's video, I have a surprise question for Arella so we can check how smart she
I'm very
is.
smart.
Yeah. What do you think is the best thing about kids?
Best thing about kids.
Yeah, being kids.
The best thing being of kids is studying.
I think that's not the right answer.
I like studying.
And then, I mean, what's the best thing about being kids?
I don't know.
Um,
Being joyful.
Yeah, pwede. Because, being kids, kasi you're still kids, you don't have any problem yet,
You
diba?
can earn money.
No. What I mean, you're being kids, they're always being happy, joyful, because you don't have any problems in this world pa. Because, diba, we people, we adults, we provide all your needs naman eh. So you don't need to look for job, for work. All you have to do is just sleep, eat, play, 'di ba? So that's so what nice being kids. Ano yung sagot mo nga ulit kanina? I forgot.
Being happy.
Yeah. Kaya all kids dapat lahat kayo happy lang, 'di ba? Happy lang kayo dapat. Tapos, ang gagawin nyo lang is syempre, follow what?
Follow the adults.
Yeah. Follow what the adults tell you to do. Especially pag mga good intentions naman or good works naman, 'di ba?
When mommy says me, diba when I drink milk, sometimes I wash my dishes.
Wow, very good. Very good yan si Arella. Nauutusan na ni Mami.
Sabi niya, sweep the floor, mop the floor.
So, you're following her.
Yes, I mop the floor.
Very good. Good job. Dapat naman talaga yung nakakatulong ka na sa trabahong bahay.
If you are mopping, I will help you.
Sige. Okay, thank you. Thank you for answering my question, Arella. That's a good answer. And thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.